You put your, come here, Sid. Come here, come put your sweater on. Come here. It's okay.
He's stuck.
It's okay, come here. Good boy. Come here. Good. It's okay. See? It's a sweater. Not scary. Wow, look how cute you look. Yeah. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Thank you. Mila's turn. Mila.
Look at her.
Mila. Mila, come. Mila, come. Come here. Mila, come. Mila, here. Mila, here. Wow, Sid, you look really cozy.
Back.
Mila! Dad left the door open. She ran.
Mila.
Hey, baby, come here. Mila, come. Mila, come. Mila, come. Wow. So nice of you to join us. Let's go stand. Come on. Mila, up. Mila, get up. You rag doll. You want a treat? Oh, cookie. Cookie? Get up here. Okay, thank you. I know that you like sweaters. You're a liar. You like it because they're warm. And you're always cold, honey. See? It's nice. Oh!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Like a dead
Look at her leg.
Oh my god, baby girl.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Come here. No. You get stuck. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come closer. I'm so sorry. You. Let's go have some treats, baby. God.
What a wimp.
Amelia, you're such a brat. It's against your bed. Like.
Are you okay?
She just threw herself like, no. That was her way of throwing.
Everyone is so excited. Look at this one.
Come here. Yeah. He says I like sweaters. Wow, you look mad at me too. Okay. Everybody hates their sweaters today. Got it. Harvey, would you like to join Mila? Go to your bed? Okay. Or not. Sid, why don't you come join us on the floor? Oh, you want treats, Sid? Sid, come. Sid! Oh, where's she gone? I have treats, baby. I'm gonna make the eggnog one really quick because that'll take a minute. Oh, I forgot. Very important detail. I know you know this is for you. You are Santa Paws.
Hi, Harvey.
Harvey, you set? Good boy. Here, is that better? You like a far back Santa hat. Like a...
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy.
Okay, thank you. Weight of dogs, amount of water. Mix with warm water. What? Can be served daily or as desired. You may serve your dog eggnog daily. Is your hat too tight? Not too tight. You can undo the chin strap a little bit.
Sid, boop on you.
How much water? That's a lot of eggnog. Is that a lot of eggnog? Is 1 cup a lot? Harvey! There's pressure. Okay. Wait, should I get really measuremented or not?
You're being a good boy. You waiting patiently. Mom makes you all these treats that take so long to make, huh? I'm stuck.
Harvey, let's go stand. Let's go. Come on, treat time. Come in. Let's go. Let's get set up. I'll have this right here. Might be best.
It's a treat. You ready? And get some num-nums.
Everything from Chewy. Everything is human grade. That does not mean you should eat it. I'm not saying to buy these to eat for yourself. I'm trying them with my dogs though to experience what my dogs taste and why they like certain things. So, since it's festive, we're starting with dog eggnog. I'm just as confused as you are. And when I saw this, I was like, oh, what? So it is a nourishing blend of goat's milk, honey, eggs, and cinnamon. So, cool. I'm terrified because I really like eggnog, and if this ruins eggnog for me, I'm not gonna be happy. Sort of just tastes like goat's milk, if that makes any sense. Like, not bad, not good. Cinnamony goat's milk. Baby, here. Oh. Harvey like eggnog? Wow, go ahead, honey. Oh! I think that scared him more than anything else. Okay, go lay down, Harv. Yeah, yeah, come here. No, come here, Mila. Come here. Baby. All right. Would you like? Good girl. Was that not me? Do you like eggnog too? Yeah. Wow. Mila eats nothing. So.
And in your lap.
And in my lap. She's like, please let me go. Sid's turn. Sid's turn. Sid, you want a treat? Get over here. I think the easiest on this. Oh, Lord have mercy. Wow, he likes it though. He's going back. Well, I think Sid would eat anything. So, 10 out of 10 for dog.
Dog nog.
Dog nog is what they really should call it. But he's even cleaning it off of Harvey's tail, but that's not surprising.
What a good brother.
Real cute. Okay, Harvey's next. Do you want to pick the next one? How about this one? These are Whole Life Pet Living Treats Digestive Pumpkin Blend Probiotics. Harvey wants thing. Oh, okay. Oh, he ate it. I know I sound surprised, it's because I am. Because he eats no treats, usually. He has a very specific type of treats that he likes. Okay, Harvey, go to bed. Okay, Sid's turn. Sid's turn for noms? Okay, well, we already knew that Sid was gonna like it, so. Mila's interested though. Mila, come here, come closer. Closer, closer. Come here, come here. No, wait, Harvey, down. 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 Good. Mila one. Wow. Now I have to eat one. I'm a little upper. It's human grade. It's human grade. It's human grade.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, Lord. Oh my God. Very nasty. Strong flaxseed flavor. Doesn't taste like pumpkin or chicken or apple. Or yogurt for that matter. Who wants it? Zero out of 10 from Sarah. 10 out of 10 from everyone else because everybody else really seems to like it. The fact that, oh my goodness, Harvey, Lord. Okay, everybody likes this one. Very, very highly ranked to the dog. All right, Mila, you're standing in the box, but we're gonna pick another one. How about this one? This one is called Spot Farms. It is family-owned artisanal turkey jerky cranberry sweet potato recipe. So, Let's open these bad boys up. Wow, everyone's at attention. They think this is, oh God. Okay. Icky boy. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait, Harvey. It's Sid's turn. Sid. Okay, and Mila. Okay, and Sarah. Definitely not gonna swallow this one too. Okay, no, it's Mom's turn to try it. All right, well, I give it like a 7 because it's better than a lot of jerkies I've eaten for humans, but I would not go out of my way to eat this. I also don't recommend humans eat it. Again, just because it's human grade doesn't mean it's made for humans to eat. But this, all the dogs like it, and that's incredible. You have to share. Now we're gonna have this one. These are Riley's organic peanut butter and molasses recipe. No wheat, no corn, no soy, 100% human grade. I'm so afraid of these ones. I don't know why. Ooh, I had a right to be. Oh wow. Okay. Well, other people are not afraid. Get back. Back. He's eating it like a pig. Eat. Slow down. Breathe, honey. Okay. Harvey likes. Sid's turn. Harvey, back, honey. Harvey, back. Go back. Thank you. Sit and down. Good boy. Down. All the way. Okay, Sid's turn. We know he's going to eat it because he eats everything, including garbage. And Mila. Oh, okay. Well, you're in a cardboard box, honey. All right. Wow, okay. Really crumbly. However, the dogs really seem to like these. Okay. It kind of tastes like, if a Triscuit wasn't so wheat woven, that's kind of the flavor. Not the worst thing I put in my mouth. So these are my most expensive ones too. These are by Bubba Rose Biscuit Company. They are wheat, corn, soy, and gluten-free, and they are called I Heart Cheese Recipe. So these are artisanal made treats. These are like really human tested, animal approved. That's kind of funny because a human is about to test them. So I'm gonna let you know. Oh. Okay. Wait, no, he's eating it. Just had to think about it for a moment. Okay. Sid will eat anything. So 10 out of 10 from Sid. Harvey! No itchies. Thank you. And Mila, the picky girl. What do you think, sweetheart? Okay, back in the cardboard box. And the whole tree is gone. So, I think everybody liked everything. Harvey, come. Sit.
Harvey's drooling.
He's drooling excessively. Like, he's really enjoying. Okay, everyone's sit down. Sit. No chaos. Thank you. Sit. I'm gonna take a very tiny bite of this one because I'm afraid of it. Because it doesn't smell good.
What?
That was very much like sand. It kind of had the like if somebody like baked sand into a cookie. That's kind of what it tasted like.
Yum.
Yeah, and it didn't smell much better. So
Sid's looking for scraps.
yes, these guys really like it. I really don't. Now the real question is, given the chance between the 4, which one is each dog gonna go for? Harvey first. Harvey, come. Harvey, you. Sit. No, sit. Sit down. Sit, wait. Mila, wait. Sit. Sit. Wait. Pumpkin, wait. No, sit. Pumpkin, cheese, jerky, other pumpkin molasses treat. Okay, free. Harvey, free. No, Sid. Harvey, free. Wow, okay. Brad. Here, Mila, you may have the giant piece of jerky. I think the dogs enjoyed everything that we gave them today. This is not sponsored by Chewy. However, I am a Chewy ambassador. I will have the link in the description below for you to be able to buy the products that I got. I'll make sure to list everything. If you want help picking out products, they're really great on their customer service. If you call them, they're open 24/7 to help you pick whatever you need for your fur baby or lizard or other types of babies. Oh, okay, thank you. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend who needs to watch me make faces and spit gross things into a cup.
You go handsome, you walk. He's so handsome.
You Santa Paws?